My name is Abdullah, and I graduated the Blue Line Aviation Career Pilot Program in 4 months and 28 days. Growing up where I'm from, we work hard at everything that we do, no matter what we do. And I wanted to excel in what I was doing, not just get through the program, but also excel in the program. And Blue Line provided me all the resources that I needed, with instructors, with other students who I can ask questions with, and also just studying with King schools and everything else. So the most challenging part of my training was flying every day, maybe twice or 3 times a day. Try to make sure I had enough sleep before every flight. Other students who were ahead of me made sure that I kept in contact with them. I had to be disciplined. The Career Pilot Program is a rigorous program, but also a fun program. I never stopped asking questions. I never stopped talking to people about what I was having difficulty with. Having that aviation mindset, I'm never allowing myself to slow down. Currently, my 2-year goal is to be an instructor, help other students get to where I am now. After that, my goal is to get into the airlines and still keep my instructor currency, because I one day want to be a flight instructor in Ghana, West Africa, and also possibly, open a flight school out there. That's my ultimate goal.